Is your productivity stopped because 7-Zip can't find the 7-Zip library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. As we look at the manual steps for 7-Zip library, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the 7-Zip library, the primary shell extension library for the 7-Zip archiver. It manages the context menu integration within Windows File Explorer and provides the API for standard LZMA and bzip2 compression routines. If missing or mismatched with the OS architecture, EX64 versus x86, the 7-Zip menu options will vanish from the right-click menu, and applications calling the 7-Zip API for auto-extraction will report library load failure. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. 7-Zip Library DLL is part of the 7-Zip package. A full reinstall of the latest official version of 7-Zip will repair missing or damaged components. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the 7-Zip library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing 7-Zip library DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. The diagnostic maintenance tool linked below offers background information for scanning 7-Zip library-related issues. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing 7-Zip library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.